In today's video, I'm going to show you how to have two Telegram apps on your Android device at the same time. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply start by opening your Android settings. Once it's open, all you have to do is just search for Dua. So once you search for this, you are definitely going to see Dual Messenger at the top. So you click on Dual Messenger. So once you get in here, just scroll to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, you are going to see Dual Messenger. Sign in to a second account. So click on it. So once in here, you'll be able to see the supported apps that can actually do this. So I'm going to be, making my Telegram app 2 on my device. So all I have to do is just click on it to activate it. Then click on install. So once I've done this, the next thing I have to do now is just go to my menu, and you see that I'm now having two Telegrams. So you can see this is the duplicated version, then this is the original version over here. So let's open the duplicated version. So you can see the app is opening just like a brand new Telegram app. But if I were to open my first Telegram, you see that I'm already using my first Telegram app. So you can see it. So this is the simplest way for you to actually have two Telegram on the same device at the same time. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.